In front of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner of this screen and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're done, click on OK. Then choose repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Now tap on label. Over here you can label your alarm however you wish to. And save your label by tapping on OK. Now click on this little bell icon over here and tap on one of those melodies as your alarm sound. When you're ready, go back. You can also though click on this bell icon again, but this time choose add new. Now pick one of these sources like downloads and pick a song from your device by clicking on the chosen one and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to click on this little icon under the switch, choose delete, and now it's gone. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and customize them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!